What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is Vlogmas day number 7. I will be cooking today. I'm having a Christmas party tomorrow at my job, so I'm gonna show you how I make. The dish I'm preparing will be my seafood salad. Not salad with lettuce, but salads like with pasta salad. So let me say pasta salad for those who don't know. It's not all that fancy, but I get a lot of good feedback when I like every time I've ever made it. People have always asked me what I put it in. I'm like, I just added one ingredient that's not in the regular thing, but I'm gonna make that. And I'm also gonna give you a quick, simple, easy idea to give out for what is that called? Christmas gifts. Something you can make at home and people love it. Yes, I will be making banana pudding. I'm not gonna show you the recipe, but I'm gonna give you the gift idea to give out if you want something inexpensive. So let's get to it. Nothing but to do it. The 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. I don't know the words after that. I'll work on it. So for my, what is this called? My food, I'm making a tuna, let me see if you can see, macaroni salad. I put shrimp in it. That's the only thing different that I do, but I also season it with some goodness. So I'm gonna show you step by step what I'm doing. So right now I'm doing the water, regular water with salt and pepper, a little oil in the water. I'm gonna bring that to the boil, to a boil. I'm gonna add my elbows. I'm not sure if I need 2 or 1 or 2 boxes. I'm not cooking for a lot of people. I think it's like 10 of us, maybe I'm lying, maybe 15 people, so I'm gonna show you some more ingredients and what I'm putting in that stuff right now. Okay, so I boiled my noodles. This is regular boiled noodles. I'll put it back in the pot just to use it as a mixer bowl. So it's some black pepper, some seasoned salt, Lawry's, and some mustard in here. And I'm gonna add my wet ingredients, which is my tuna, my dill, and my shrimp. I'm gonna add it to this pot, and then I'm gonna mix it up. Let's see if I can do this at one hand. Okay, and then I mix this up. I don't like too much mayo, so I like to add my mayo to my tuna. And then, sorry, I always make a mess. That's just some seasoned salt. So I'm going to mix this up, and I'll be right back to show you how it looks. Okay, so it actually looks better when everything is together. So I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper. That flavor is in the pepper. A little bit more Lawry's. And this is actually between the shrimp and this Lawry's. I feel like that's my kick. A little bit more dill in there. And I think I may add a little bit more mayo. More mustard. And I'm gonna mix it and be right back. I already wrapped it up. I totally forgot to put it in a better picture. I'm so sorry. So this is how it is. I decorated with some shrimp on top and some parsley just for some color. And I put, the paprika on top. Let me see if you can see it through the bottom. I don't know. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. And I hope you guys can see it. I don't know. I'm going to wrap it again with aluminum foil. Let me see if I can move this one piece of... You know what? I'd rather not move it. But I hope you guys can get a look at it. And I'm going to put this in the fridge. And I'm going to come back. So this is my turkey that I've been seasoning for a few days now. I'm going to check on this and turn this around on the other side, and then let the seasoning sit on the other side. So this right here is some thyme leaves, some garlic and butter. I didn't do a lot of seasoning on it. I just put it on there for a few days. So with this, right, my cousin, well, let me tell you what's in it first, and then I'll tell you what it is. So the green stuff on that, one of my friends, she got some homemade seasoning from Puerto Rico, and she gave it to me. And yo, okay, I put that in my beans the other day. It was amazing. And I also stuffed my turkey with the same ingredients. Like, there's a whole onion in there, some more thyme, like a whole handful of thyme, some butter all around it. And it's been sitting. I'm gonna tell you everything. Let me just put this. I'm bugging. Let me just put this in the fridge, and I'm gonna come back. All right. So let me tell you what they told me to do with this turkey. I'm excited because this is my second turkey. My first turkey was like bomb. So I had reached out to some people on Facebook, and I just left a post. I was like, hey, anybody know any good turkey recipes? Because nobody like a dry turkey, and I couldn't find a fried turkey, and I'm not frying no turkey. So they was like, yes. My aunt Nikki and my cousin Nicolette, which is her daughter, told me to put my turkey in water, in salt water, for like 24 hours or whatever. So I cleaned my turkey, defrosted it, and I put it in salt water last year. She also told me to cook the turkey with the breast side down and make sure I have my oven bag. Like, I've been knew about the oven bag because my mom and everything. So I said, okay, I'm gonna do that. But I mean, I took one cut. I didn't even have to like put a knife to that turkey. I literally could just eat it with a fork, like just pull it apart. It was so crazy. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do another one because I got a turkey. So right here, you know, I have all the seasoning. I did the same thing. I put it, after I cleaned it, I let it sit in salt water for a day. And now it's been 2 days. This seasoning has been on it on the breast side. So now I said I'm going to turn it on this side. And it's still some more of that green seasoning on it too. Sofrito is it called? Not sofrito. Sofrito is the red one. I forgot the name of it, but I left my chicken neck in here because, you know, I want some of that. So I said I'm going to turn it on the other side, and I am going to season this side, and I'm going to let her sit for another 2 days and season. I'm excited for this turkey. I don't even like turkey, but it was just, it was so good. And then the fact that, you know, she got me this, my girl D got this for me from Puerto Rico. Like, come on. Like, you gotta make it. So when I finish cooking on Christmas Eve, I will, you know, debut my turkey. I'm making some lasagna. I call it lasagna, but lasagna, it sounds better. Some mac and cheese. We made fried chicken because I'm not frying no food in my house. Some yellow rice. I was gonna make this macaroni. The macaroni salad that I made today, I was gonna make that, but I'm not gonna make that anymore because I just use all ingredients and I'm not buying any more shrimp. And yeah, don't want to. And also, what else I did? I think of just a tossed salad, something light, you know, nothing too crazy. Maybe a little dessert, banana pudding. But yes, guys. So stay tuned for my Christmas gift ideas, homemade Christmas gift ideas. Okay. Christmas. So basically you would get a little mason jar and you would make the banana the same way. I didn't have a lot left, so I had to like improvise with more cookies and more banana. So basically what you do, you make it like you make your regular banana pudding in the pan. So you start with your little cookies at the bottom, and then you will layer it with the bananas, and then you will put in your pudding. Then on top of the pudding, you decorate it with a little bit more bananas and a little bit more cookies on top. I overdid it on the cookies because this is really mine, and I love the cookies when it gets all mushy. Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good. It's so good. So then I paired it with a little spoon. I thought it'd be cute so you can give people like a little spoon to eat it with. And then these are regular ties. I got these at Target. At the 99-cent rack that they have as soon as you walk in, all Targets, you know. But it's right there for 99 cents, and then you just put 2 in from here. I think last year when I did it, not last year, but the few years ago when I did it, I had like a name tag on it with like the red and white peppermint red and white string. It looks kind of like the string you get on your pizza box, that string. Do they still do the string anymore? I think I've been seeing tape. But that red and white string, something like that, I got from Target as well. And it had a little name tag, and it had really cute messages. But it was just so cute. So this is a little cute, inexpensive gift idea if you have a large amount of coworkers. Like, I don't have a large amount of coworkers, but it's people in the building that I just love. But at the same time, you can't give everybody, even if you want to. So I just gave, I'm just gonna give a few people. Hopefully no one's mad at me. Peace out, you guys.